Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Your girl is coming on with a Rose Forever review. If you guys remember, I got some roses from them a few months back. And let me show you, they're still going strong. It's right here. This is the first box I got from them, which is super cute, super cute. It's in a velvet box, and you see the flowers are still fresh, still pretty, still nice. Your girl got another one. Yes, I have another one to show you today, and this one to me is extra special. Let me show you it. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, thank you, ma'am. Look at this, you guys. It's in a clear box. A clear acrylic box. OMG. Your girl is loving it. I am. And I'll tell you why I'm loving it in a minute. And I got pink this time, as you can see. This is the roses here. OMG. Look at them. Don't they look beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. In this clear crystal, oh my gosh, case. Isn't that nice? I love it. I absolutely love it. And guess what, you guys? The bottom piece has a drawer. Yes, it does. It has a storage unit. Oh my gosh. Or whatever you'd like to put in there. Super cute. Super cute. You know, you can fill this with little crystal gems. That will give it a nice appearance. On the box, you could decorate this box. Yes, you can. So like I said, you could put a lot of little things inside. Yeah, and glam up your box. It would be nice, like I said, crystal gems. Or you can know, like how it's Christmas time coming up, you can put some snowflakes in there. Yeah, the little white foam, make-believe snow. You can put that in there and close it, and it'll give it a nice effect with the flowers. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I love it. And you can have it with the lid off or with the lid on. Your girl is loving this. When I went on the site and I saw this box, I'm like, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. There's a song that goes like that, eh? I had to get it. Yes, I did. OMG. Look at it. And the roses come in any color. They have a wide variety. Their arrangements are made with 100% natural flowers. Yes, natural roses. Yes, they are. And they use natural oils to preserve these roses. And Rose Forever is a company based in New York, and they specialize in long-lasting flower arrangements. 100% natural, long-lasting flower arrangements. Yeah, and it's super cute. So your girl is gonna show you why I got this box. Yes, why I love the box. Remember I told you, you know, you can, where is the opening? You can open it with this nice little storage and put things inside and upscale your box. Well, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna DIY this box and upscale it. So let's get into how I'm putting this box together. Yeah. Alright everyone, here is another look at our Rose Forever. It's beautiful in the clear crystal box. A lovely rose decor, and they do come in other colors. They have traditional colors, and then they also have black and gray, and also silver and gold. Lots of color choice for you to choose from. I remember I said they do come in 9, 16, and 36. Now I do think this box looks nice and elegant all on its own, so I'm just sharing this with you guys. For those of you who love it just the way it is, and that's not a problem because it is beautiful. Now here is a step up from where it was. Like I told you, it has a drawer at the bottom, and you can place any little items in there to help bling out your box. Yes, doesn't this look nice? All I did was put in some silver gems, some clear gems in there, mix them up together, and doesn't it look absolutely beautiful? I think it does. And now we are going to get into the DIY of how I'm going to DIY this box. I'll be using this Glam chain that I have here, and I'll be using some E6000 to place it onto our box. So now I'm just going to make sure it goes above where the drawer opens up. So I just measured where that is, and there's a line going straight across, and I just go above the line. So now I'm just going to place my E6000 and place my bling wrap going all the way around. My bling chain wrap going all the way around the box. And now I'll be using this gem here, and I'll be placing it onto the draw part of our box, just using some hot glue. And place it down, quick and easy. That's all. And voila, look at our box. Look at the box. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. This is why, as I saw the box, the lights just went off in my brain, saying, oh my gosh, you can DIY that. Yes, you know your girl is glam and all of that. And this box gives me the perfect opportunity to glam it out, and I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. So whether you want to use the loose gems or even some snowflakes like I told you in the bottom, or glam it up like this with the gems, both ways will look absolutely beautiful. Or even having it plain, leaving it plain the way it comes is absolutely beautiful also. Here is another look at my finished box. OMG. And you see, that was very fast. It did not take long to DIY. Yeah, isn't this super cute? OMG. I love it. And leave the lid off. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. And like I said, you can put anything inside. I had some gems like I showed you earlier. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. But this is how I'm going to have mine. All displayed. And if I want to switch up, I can add the gems in it too. And like I showed you, I kept the bling above the draw. Please remember that. If you're adding a bling straight across, keep it above the opening of the draw. That's why I liked the clear box when I saw it on the site. I love it. And it's optional. You can keep the lid off and display your flowers. Or if you want, you can leave the lid on it because you still see the flowers in the container. Oh, I love it. So your girl has a discount code for you down below to get some dollars off if you choose to buy this. I remember it will make a lovely Christmas gift for a loved one, or even something for yourself. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. And get it and DIY it. Yeah, put your added touch to it. It's absolutely beautiful. Yes, it is. So like I said, there's a discount code. I'll leave it down below, and go click on it. Look at all the arrangements, all the colors that they have, and get something nice for yourself or a loved one. And like I said, Christmas is coming. It will be very nice to get as a gift. Thank you for coming on and seeing my Rose Forever review. I'm so much in love with you guys. Oh, I'm so much in love with it. OMG, I love it. I absolutely love it. I love it. And like I said, you can get the velvet box if you like, but your girl is loving this one. Yes, I am. I am loving this one. I am. So thank you so much for coming on and seeing my Rose Forever review. And remember to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone. I just need you back.